Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, here's my new car.
That you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Okay, Billy Badass. You gotta sing here. Now tell me how the hell we gonna get out. Hold on, I know you ain't gonna do what I think you gonna do. Oh man. Come on. This ain't the Dukes of Hazzard. Come on.
Alright, hi guys. So I could talk shit about the family friend building my car.
Gotcha, bitch.
But the fact is the frame is still bent. We got it kind of straightened out when I went there in June, but it's still bent so badly that you can't put the new parts on it and you can't weld it back together. So what we've decided to do is we're gonna buy a donor car. It's like the best of both worlds, and we'll mix them up together, and that's what we're gonna do.
Bingo.
Alright guys, so I found a car online and mission is a go. I'm picking it up. I'll show you the car when I get there, and I'll see you then. My cabin is right beneath the stage of the bar, so even if I'm not at the bar, I can still hear the bar as if I was in the bar. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my new car. Welcome to Stockholm, Sweden. We just bought this thing for 700 euros. And it runs. It runs. It's actually quite alright. But I'm still gonna engine swap it, so. Alright, so we're now on the way back home. The car cost me 700 euros. Now bring it to Finland with Swedish plates. If I don't have plates at all, that's gonna just mess it all up. But so now I paid the 700 euros, but then I have to register it in Finland. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, here's my new car. It's exactly the same one as the last one. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.